Hey, Keith here, live from the ThankView kitchen. Recently, we sent out a survey asking what you wanted to see next.
And many of you chose Keith's mom's banana bread recipe.
Far be it from us to not give you what you want, nay deserve. So let's dive right in. Step 1, call my mom and ask for the recipe. What is your banana bread recipe?
Really?
That out of the way, preheat your oven to 325 and cut to a fancy overhead shot. Add a cup of sugar and half a cup of melted butter to a large bowl and mix. Add 1 egg and 4 or 5 ripe bananas, depending on their size. I'm talking real gross old bananas. Toss in 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix. Add 1/3 to a half a cup of chocolate chips. This is not an optional step. Grease a loaf pan with butter and gently pour the batter in, smoothing it down like an absolute pro.
Okay, now it's time to let you in on a family secret. Sprinkle the top with about a tablespoon of cinnamon sugar. It's gonna give it a nice crust and a little extra pop of flavor, a little surprise. Bake for at least 1 hour to 1 hour 15, and while you wait, enjoy a preferred hobby. Once golden brown, test your bread with a knife to make sure it's fully cooked with no sticky batter. Alright, family secret number 2. Once the loaf has cooled, wrap it in a layer of cellophane, then foil, and leave it alone for a couple days. Like a fine wine, this bee bread only seems to get better with age, peaking around day 3. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'm not looking forward to cleaning any of this up.